Assalamualaikum. My name is Rahmat Fauzi Harahap bin Sarmadan and my matrix number is 33DCE20F2001. So sekarang saya akan menjalankan eksperimen simulation iaitu severity of quenching. The objective of this experiment is to study the hardness of medium carbon steel samples and their microstructure under the following condition, iaitu receive, annealed, normalized, water quench, ice quench dan oil quench. Apparatus yang akan digunakan adalah seperti berikut. Untuk step pertama, kita perlu memperolehi 6 identical sampel medium carbon steel. Kemudian, kita perlu menyimpan satu sampel sebagai control sampel. Untuk step kedua, kita perlu austenize ke-5 sampel selama 30 minit pada suhu 910 degree Celsius di dalam furnace. Untuk memasukkan sampel ke dalam furnace, kita akan menggunakan tongs. Setelah 30 minit, kita perlu keluarkan semua sampel dan quench mereka ke dalam mediums yang berlainan, iaitu minyak, air, brine, dan room temperature. Kemudian kita perlu membiarkan sampel terakhir untuk menyejuk di dalam furnace sehingga suhunya mencecah 400 degree Celsius sebelum diletakkan pada room temperature. Once all samples are cooled to room temperature, each sample is polished and microstructure is observed under a microscope as shown in the subsequent step. So, soalan dia, why is the sample austenized for 30 minutes? The answer is for uniform austenization. Beralih ke step 4. Kita perlu mendapatkan flat surface pada spesimen dengan menggunakan belt grinding. Untuk step kelima, support a paper of 1/0 fines on a flat glass plate. Polish the specimen rubbing in forward direction only. Move the next final paper 2 and 3 once the scratches on the specimen are uniform, while changing on one paper to another. The specimen and your hands should be clean, free from abrasive of the previous paper, and the specimen turned through 90 degrees so that the scratch from the previous paper are at right angles to the scratch from the next paper. Untuk step 6, finish polishing specimen on 4 abrasive paper. Sebagai peringatan, selepas melakukan proses polishing, kita perlu mencuci tangan dan mencuci spesimen. Step ke-7, do the fine polishing on the disc polishing unit. After fine polishing, clean off the polished surface of the specimen with water and dry it with the electric hot air blower. Step ke-8, etch the specimen with 2% nitrile reagent by swabbing for a few seconds. For information, nitrile reagent. Nitrile is the name given to an oxidizing accent solution composed of aqueous nitric acid and ethanol. Selepas itu, kita perlu mencuci spesimen dan membiarkan ia kering. Step ke-9, examine the specimen under the microscope and observe the structural features. Dengan menyelaraskan mikroskop, kita boleh melihat keadaan spesimen tersebut. So, beralih kepada soalan, which medium given gives the most severe quench? The answer is ice brine. Step 10, after noting the microstructural features of the sample, perform the Rockwell hardness test using the cone identer for all 6 samples. Step 11, the hand wheel is turned until specimen is in contact with the indenter and the pointer. Of all the smaller dial gauge, reach the red dots so that minor load of 10 kg is applied. Step ke-12, the major load is set and the motor is switched on. The hand lever is kept in load position for 50 seconds. The reading is noted down using C scale. Step ke-13, values are noted for all the 6 specimens. So the last part is observation. From this experiment, we can observe and relate the microstructural features and the obtained Rockwell hardness number. So kita boleh tengok satu persatu. Annealed, normalized, ice quench, oil quench and water quench. So berdasarkan observation, kita dapat lihat ice quench mempunyai nilai yang paling tinggi iaitu 60 RC. The hardness values obtained can be correlated with the microstructural observations. Higher fractions of martensite are observed in better quenchings, thereby resulting in higher hardness values. That's all for the experiment from me. Thank you.